The Institute of Public Certified Accountants is calling on the National Treasury to publish the 2014 financial bill to offer a roadmap on Kenya's tax policy in the coming financial year. Here is Adelaide Chingole.
Despite the gloom being witnessed in Kenya's key economic sectors of tourism and agriculture, the country is still hopeful of a positive economic end in 2014. This has in recent days been boosted by the subscription rate of the debut sovereign bond,
which again is a clear indication that despite of all these things happening in Kenya, people out there have a lot of confidence in the Kenyan economy.
But even with this optimism, ISPAC still believes the government has to pull all the stops if it is to reach its goal of growing the economy by 6.1% in the 2014-2015 financial year.
Operationalizing a 24-hour economy as promised under the Jubilee Manifesto should be jump-started.
ISPAC is also lauding Treasury Cabinet Secretary for singling out wastage in the government and announcing measures to deal with runaway expenditure. According to the Auditor General, Kenya loses 30% of its budget to revenue leakages and corruption annually. As such, ISPAC wants the government to strengthen the capacity of public finance management oversight institutions.
The Supreme Audit Institution has now built its capacity to carry out the value for money audits, just to check that expenditure has been incurred, not just incurred, but incurred for intended purposes.
The institution is also hoping the ongoing tax reform agenda will simplify the tax administration regime and enhance compliance, which will generate additional revenues and reduce public sector deficit, curb inflation, and finance development projects.
So we expect the tax net to widen up. That is what we can say for sure, so that some of the tax people that are supposed to be taxed but are not being taxed now are likely to be taxed as a result of that.
However, ISPAC is appealing to the Treasury to avail the Finance Bill 2014 so that stakeholders can project the tax measures anticipated for this year. Adelaide Chingole, KTN Business.